So there are different types of verb and we often get confused how to use them. Today we will see how to use V1. V1 is used to make sentences like I will go, I study every day. So these are simple tenses. First one is simple present tense. Why we call this simple present tense? Because it is a very simple kind of sentence. There are no helping verbs, no ing, no ed form of verb. That is why we call it simple present tense. I go, he goes. This change will be there that you have to remember. Next, he studies, I study. These type of sentences say that these actions happen again and again. When there are some actions which happen on a regular basis, then you have to use these kind of sentences. Basically, this is called simple present tense. Another use of V1 is simple future tense. In this, you use first form of verb with will, like I will go or he will go. In this, there is no change with the verb even if you use it with third person singular. This action says it will happen in future but once. In simple present tense, the action happens again and again. In simple future tense, that action will happen in future but only once, not again and again. I hope this helps. For more such videos, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.